Hello everyone. Today, wait, BRB. I'm back. Uh, my dad was just watching WWE. He put like in such like loud volumes. Now, anyways, we're back with Roblox. Oh, I forgot the introduction. TV thought leader speaking. Anyways, like I was saying, we're back playing Roblox. And today we're playing Gunfight Arena. Jesus Christ, can you just put on my... Sorry. Let me just put on my... Just real quick. Sorry guys, I forgot to put on my headset. Yeah, my headset. Okay. Ready? Oh, I'm so ready. Well, that was just easy. Now guys, I am good at this game. I am really good. Mm, Come on. Now guys, I am really good at this game. Now you might see me die a few times, but trust me, I am really good. I know what I do in this game. Basically, it's just too easy, you know. Shit. Damn. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Shit. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's play. Let's play. Shit. I should have just put in my. Oh fuck. Damn it. Don't want this man. Just deploy. Just deploy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come and get me, boy. Come and get me. 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 Shit. Come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh shit. Sorry guys, sorry. Um I'm FK. Oh shit. Dumbasses, 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 dumbasses. Alright, sorry, my headset fall off. I'm back. Shit. Off bullets, off bullets. Have to reach out to this. Shit. Sorry, my game is a little bit laggy right now. Got to do this. Okay, yep, let's do this. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shit. Why am I keep on lagging, man? Let's go, let's just go, man. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sorry if I'm really quiet right now. I'm just, focused, like locked in. So just went to, man. Okay, yep, let's go, let's go. Easy. Shit, what the fuck, dude? Touch the quickest I died. Information right there, information. Very nice information. Come on, yeah, die, bitches, die, bitches. Die, die, you dumb fucker, die. Right there, you know that? He's right there. Come on, come on. Touch X, touch X. Touch X, touch X, touch X. Oh yeah, you can't touch it. You can't touch it, you can't touch it, you can't touch it. Dumbasses. Just watch the carnage. Watch and learn. Just watch and learn, kid. Just watch and learn. Watch and learn, watch and learn. Come on. Shit. Just watch and learn, kids. Watch and learn. He has no idea. He has no idea. He has no idea. No fucking idea. No fucking idea. Just no idea, Just no idea. 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 Fuck. Alright, let's go. shit. Come on. Fuck, dude. How does she even see me? I'm fucking invisible, you bitch. Let's go. Fucking bitches. Dude. Come on, let's go. Let's just go. Inside the man. There's an inside man. There's an inside man right there. There's an inside man. Yeah. I'm gonna use my shield to just fucking torture them. Cause I had enough, bro. I actually had enough. Let's go. That's right. That's right, you bitch. That's right. Yeah. Get fucked. Get fucked. Let's go. Get fucked, bitch. Get fucked. Uh. Alright. This gonna be the end of the video. But if you like this video as much as I do, then like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Roblox content like this. And yeah, hold on. Is there any? Yeah, and yeah, bye.